Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change your font in Roblox Mobile. Alright, let's begin. First, close your Roblox app completely. Then open your iPhone settings. In the search bar at the top, type font and tap on the result when it appears. You'll see options like System Fonts and General Fonts. If you select System Fonts, you can browse and download preloaded font styles. To install a specific custom font, tap on My Fonts. From here, you'll be able to install additional fonts through the App Store. Use the App Store to search for font apps. These apps let you download and manage different font styles on your iPhone. Once installed, your chosen fonts will appear in your font settings. After downloading your preferred font, return to your system settings and apply it. While Roblox does not officially support custom fonts inside the app, installing system-wide fonts can affect how text appears in other parts of your phone, including menus and keyboards, which indirectly changes the visual experience in Roblox Mobile. So that's basically how you can change your font in Roblox Mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.